bolts off now. I just took the grinder and cut them down to get them out. Take the bolt out right here, the front fisheye. I'll tell you this right now, but that leaf spring bolt sucks. Shoot! I think that's enough for today. What's going on, guys? This is Boom Boom Tisk out here today to give you guys a little update on some things with the van. I know you guys haven't seen it in a while, so you guys might be wondering, well, hey dude, what's up with the van? You've been working on it and you've been pretty quiet. Well, hey, guess what? Today is your lucky day because we're gonna go take a look at it and I'm gonna give you guys some updates on what is going on with the van. Did I give up on the van project? Did I don't know. Well, here you go. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Still sitting. As you can see, not much has changed. But as you see here, we've just been sitting. Has some spider webs just in time for Halloween, which is around the corner right now. And yeah, I have a flip kit that I'm installing. But anyways, I have this side that I'm working on right now. The other side, leaf spring's already off, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that down to the shop to get those bushings pressed in. And as you can see, it's kind of a total mess in here right now, but so forgive me for that. But here's the leaf spring. These are the bushings that guy has to get pressed out, and the leaf spring, this took some serious time, honestly. I had to get a really special tool to finish it up. There, let's see, where it is. Oh, there it is. Yep, there's my special tool. Neighbors are gonna love me. But as you can see, the leaf spring is now completely removed on this side, along with the shock. So, this is the next order of business to get this leaf spring out. As you can see, that's the bolt right there, guys. That's the bolt. So I've been trying to get a good whack at that thing to get it out, and honestly, it just does not want to move. But we did get some progress over here. So, let's see. Sorry, guys. It's been a while since I've done this. Here you go. I got it to back out a little bit. And I don't know if you saw this, but I did also have to cut a notch in the tow hitch to make some room for that bolt to come out. You might be wondering why I didn't just remove the tow hitch. Well, if you look at the rest of these bolts here, they all look like not a whole lot of fun to remove. So I went ahead and did that anyways, and I just didn't want to mess with taking the tow hitch out. That's all I gotta do is just back that bolt out. Literally, this whole leaf spring right here, all of this, is held in by that one bolt right there. So that's it, guys. We're gonna try to whack at it today. Hopefully we get some luck here and make some progress. So honestly, I'm just glad that we got that other leaf spring out. That's already something better than nothing. So we're gonna get that leaf spring out. We're gonna hopefully install the flip kit after the bushings come back all pressed in. So that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna get back to work. Long hair don't care. It's all pretty rounded off and banged up from me hitting it already. I don't really care. I just want it to come out. So, did I abandon the van? Not the best to be hammering on. It's gonna sacrifice itself for the greater good. Lots of chip of it there. So damn close, guys. Hell yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you leaf spring number 2. What do you think? So trying to figure out why this gave us such trouble coming out, and we're starting to see that it looks slightly bent. And this is the bushing that it was stuck in, so as you can see, it does not want to go in there very well. If you were touching this right now, you would feel what I feel. So, it's out. Both leaf springs out. And ready to go down to get the old shackles removed and to get new bushings pressed in. As you can see, got the new bushing right here for the front. And then the shackle kit, new bushing as well, so that'll get pushed in. This will be on there. And we should be riding pretty solid. Gonna get those all back together. Got the air shocks I gotta put on there and the flip kit. So we're gonna end it here for now. It's been good. It's been a day, and I'm gonna take a shower. Peace out.